Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get my notifications. Start with a magic circle and chain 4. One double crochet, chain 2, one double crochet, now repeat this until you have 8 spaces. Round 2, slip stitch into this chain space and one popcorn stitch over here. To make a popcorn stitch, chain 2, this won't be considered as a stitch. Now make 5 double crochets. Now pull up this loop and remove your hook and insert it in the first double crochet and pull up this loop and chain 1. That's one popcorn stitch made. Chain 5 and one popcorn stitch in the next chain space. Now repeat this all around. One popcorn stitch in the chain space, chain 5, popcorn stitch, chain 5, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this popcorn stitch. Round 3, slip stitch into this chain space, and now we'll make 7 double crochets in each and every chain space. Chain 2, this won't be considered as a stitch. 7 double crochets in this chain space. Now directly go into the next chain space and continue with 7 double crochets, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. At the end of this round you should have 56 stitches. Round 4, chain 4, skip one stitch, and in the next stitch make a double crochet, chain 2, skip 1 and one double crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this all around. Chain 2, skip 1, one double crochet, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on this chain 2. Round 5, slip stitch into this chain space, chain 2, this won't be considered as a stitch, 2 double crochets in the chain space, and one double crochet on this double crochet. Repeat this all around. 2 double crochets in the chain space, and one double crochet on this double crochet. At the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and total you should have 84 stitches. Round 6, chain 4, skip one stitch and one double crochet, chain 2, skip one stitch and one double crochet, repeat this all around, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on this chain 2. Round 7, start with chain 2, this won't be considered as a stitch. Now one front post double crochet in the same stitch, and 2 double crochets in the chain space. Repeat this all around. One front post double crochet in this double crochet, and 2 double crochets in this chain space. At the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, and in total you should have 126 stitches. Round 8, chain 4, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet, chain 2, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this all around. Chain 2, skip 1, 1 double crochet, and once you reach the end, slip stitch in this chain 2. Round number 9, chain 2 and 1 front post double crochet in this double crochet, one double crochet in this chain space, and 1 double crochet front post double crochet in this next front post double crochet. Now repeat this all around. 1 front post double crochet and 1 double crochet in this chain space, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first front post double crochet, and total you should have 126 stitches. Round 10, start with chain 4, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet. Repeat this all around. Chain 2, skip 1, 1 double crochet, and once you reach the end, slip stitch in the chain 2. Round 11, chain 2 and 1 front post double crochet in this double crochet, and 2 double crochets in the chain space. Repeat it. 1 front post double crochet in the double crochet and 2 double crochets in the chain space. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this front post double crochet, and total you should have 189 stitches. At the end of round 11, my base, it measures around 9 inches. Now if you want to make it bigger, you can repeat round number 8, 9, 10 and 11 until you reach the size which you need. Round number 12, chain 5, skip 2, 1 and 2 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch, chain 5, skip 2 and 1 single crochet. Repeat this all around. Once you reach the end, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in this first chain. That's the connecting stitch made. Round number 13, chain 5 and 1 single crochet in the next chain space. Repeat it all around. At the end, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in this double crochet. That's the connecting stitch. Round number 14, chain 5 and 1 single crochet in the chain space, chain 5, 1 single crochet in the next chain space. Repeat this all around. At the end of this round, chain 5 and slip stitch on this double crochet. Round number 15, slip stitch into the chain space, chain 2, this won't be considered as a stitch. Now 3 double crochets in each and every space. Directly skip into the chain space this all around, and once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Now the last round we will do the edging round. Start with chain 8. One, two, three. In the third chain from the hook, make 14 double crochets. This is how it should look. Now if you find the circle to be curving in, you can add in more stitches. This is straight now. I've added 14 double crochets, so this might differ according to the yarn which you are using, so adjust it accordingly. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook from down and insert it in the first double crochet. Now go down and slip stitch. Chain 3. 1, 2, skip the stitches. 1 slip stitch over here. 1, 2, both stitches will make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch you will make a slip stitch. Now again repeat this. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, make 14 double crochets. One, two, three. Insert your hook from down. Insert it in the first double crochet. Go down and slip stitch. Chain 3. 1, 2, skip. 1 slip stitch. 1, 2 single crochet. 1 slip stitch. I'll show you one more time. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 14 double crochets over here. One, two, three. Insert your hook from down. Insert it in the first double crochet. Go down. Slip stitch through all the 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 skip. 1 slip stitch. 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet and 1 slip stitch. This is how it will look. Now repeat this all around, and once you reach the end, weave off. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.